One more example of the flossing. Here we go. Binomial distributions, example 4, part E. All right, we've surveyed 15 people. We're interested in the number of people in that group who floss every day. It mentions this here. So once again, we have our 15 people, 59% floss, 41% do not. That's why it's binomial. You either do or you don't. All right, so anyway, of those people, anywhere from 0 to 15 of them floss every day. And in part E, it says, what's the probability that the number of people in the group of 15 is more than 12? All right? So, let's look at this. Which of these numbers over here from 0 to 15 satisfy the description of being more than 12? Does that include 12? No! It doesn't. You're right. Awesome. Mr. Soda Water is so proud of you guys. Thank you. More than 12 would be 13 on up. All right? Now let's not overthink it here. But look, we've talked about when the question involves a range of numbers. And by the way, let's also put this in here. What would be the math symbol that would indicate more than 12? Greater than! Yeah! Man, I love it. You guys, you're so interactive, just like like you're here. But anyway, more than 12 does not include the 12. Now, that question would be 13, 14, 15. Set up the formula for each of those three numbers and add them together. Yeah, that'd be cool. Do you want to do the opposite? Well, no, because that would be even more work. I don't think I'm going to do the 1 minus this time. I'm not flipping a coin. I'm looking at it. I'm figuring it out. All right? Crabby old man alert here. Pants up to here. But look, so often people will tell me, I don't know when to do the 1 minus and when to do it and when not to. It's always a matter of which is less work. All right? So the original question involves these three numbers. The opposite would be more. I'm going to do the original problem. There will not be a 1 minus on this one. So here we go. We're just going to set up these probabilities. Let's start with 13. 15 people choose 13 to floss. Flossing, 59%. 13 of them floss, which means that 2 of them do not. Remember, floss is 59, do not floss is 41. That would be the setup right there for 13. Or, that's why this is plus, or, what'd you just call me? Anyway, or, let's do 14 now. 15 choose 14. Floss, 14. Do not floss 1, right? 14 floss, 1 does not. That would be the setup for this one. Or, quit calling me names. 15 choose 15. Floss, 15. Do not floss, 0. I hope this is coming together. I get a sense that it is from your reactions that I can just somehow sense. And so if you do the math on this, and I'm trying to think of where to write the number, I'll put it up here. Doesn't matter where, but it looks like that ends up being 0.022702. And there again, please don't stress over how many of those digits to keep. I'm pretty inconsistent as it is on where to round things myself sometimes. So anyway, there would be that one. We're done with the flossing example. So let's move on and enjoy one more binomial example.